For many homeowners, the garage is more than just a place to park vehicles. It often serves as storage space, a workshop, a home gym, or even an entry point into the house. Over time, however, clutter can build up and make the garage difficult to use efficiently. Boxes pile up, old equipment collects dust, and pathways become blocked. For homeowners in Austin, professional garage cleanouts are one of the most effective ways to restore everyday accessibility and make the space functional again. Reclaiming clear walkways when garages become crowded, simple tasks like walking from your car to the house can feel inconvenient. Stacked bins, unused furniture, and forgotten items often block pathways. Garage cleanouts help Austin homeowners clear out unnecessary clutter, restoring safe and easy movement throughout the space. With open walkways, accessing stored items or navigating the garage becomes effortless. Making parking easier, many garages lose their primary function over time, parking a vehicle. When storage takes over, cars are often left outside. By removing excess belongings, Austin homeowners can reclaim enough room to park comfortably again. Improved organization helps ensure vehicles fit properly without squeezing past obstacles. Improving access to frequently used items, seasonal decorations, tools, and sports equipment are commonly stored in garages. When clutter builds up, finding these items becomes frustrating and time-consuming. Garage cleanouts allow Austin residents to sort, remove, and reorganize belongings. Frequently used items can be stored in accessible locations, making daily tasks more convenient. Enhancing safety. Cluttered garages increase the risk of trips, falls, and accidental injuries. Sharp tools, heavy objects, and unstable stacks can create hazards. By clearing out unnecessary items, garage cleanouts help Austin homeowners create a safer environment. Open spaces and organized storage reduce potential safety risks. Supporting better organization systems. A garage cleanout is not just about removing items, it's about creating structure. After decluttering, Austin homeowners can implement shelving, wall storage, or labeled containers. Organized systems improve accessibility and prevent clutter from returning. Transforming multi-use spaces. Many homeowners want their garage to serve multiple purposes, such as a workshop or fitness area. Clutter makes these goals difficult to achieve. Garage cleanouts in Austin make it possible to convert unused space into functional areas. Whether it's setting up a workbench or creating room for exercise equipment, accessibility improves dramatically. Reducing stress and frustration. Struggling to find items or navigate a cluttered garage can be surprisingly stressful. A clean, accessible garage in Austin provides peace of mind. Knowing where everything is stored and being able to move freely simplifies everyday life. Saving time spent searching for tools or moving boxes around adds up quickly. Garage cleanouts help Austin homeowners save time by making everything easier to locate and access. Efficient organization improves productivity and daily convenience. Preparing for future needs. An accessible garage makes it easier to adapt to new needs. Whether purchasing new equipment or storing seasonal items, extra space offers flexibility. Austin homeowners who maintain a clean garage are better prepared for future storage changes or lifestyle adjustments. A practical step toward everyday convenience. Accessibility isn't just about appearance, it's about usability. A well-organized garage supports daily routines and enhances overall home functionality. For homeowners in Austin, garage cleanouts improve everyday accessibility by clearing clutter, restoring walkways, and creating organized storage systems. The result is a garage that works for you, not against you, making daily tasks simpler, safer, and more efficient.